This second module of the course, Langchain Mastery, we will do hands-on with theory. We will see how to use Google Gemini API with prompt template and LLM chain. So in this hands-on module, we will learn what is prompt template and how to use LLM chain with Google Gemini API. And we will also see how to build a simple summarization app using Langchain. And in this lecture, we will not only code but also understand why we use each concept. So let's get started. So step number 1, install required package. We will use Langchain library and Langchain-Google-GenAI integration to access the Gemini API. So this is the code here: pip install -q Langchain. After that, Langchain-Google-GenAI. So what is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this line of code? We will explain each line and each concept in the code. Okay. So first of all, we will talk about the exclamatory sign. So this symbol indicates that the following command should be run in system shell, not as a Python code. After that, pip install. So this is the standard command for installing Python package. And why -q is written here? This flag stands for quiet. It helps or tell PIP to install the package without printing too much output to the console, making the output cleaner. And after that, you can see we have written Langchain. So Langchain is the name of core Langchain library package. Okay. And after that, you can see Langchain-Google-GenAI. This is the name of the specific package that provide the integration between Langchain and Google Generative API model like Google Gemini. So this is the meaning of the code. Now I will run this code. Okay. Before running the code, we should connect our Google Colab environment with internet. Okay. You can see some sorts of error, but we don't need to mind this error. Okay. After that, we will go to step number 2. In this step, we will set our Google Gemini API key. Okay. So to use Gemini model, you must set your API key securely. So you must visit a Google Market suite and you can generate your own API from there. Don't copy this API because after this lecture it will be deleted. Okay. So here I will run this code and this will set up our Google Gemini API key. Now in this next lecture we will see how to load Gemini LLM.